Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is me Maliha from the well-known English Language Center, Bangladesh. So today I'm here to tell a paragraph about my Eid al-Fitr. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this year, I celebrated my Eid in city, and I celebrated this Eid with my relatives and my friends and my family. People used to go to their relatives' house in Eid, and also they enjoy the food of the Eids, and they likes to go to Idgah. Like usually boys likes to go to Idgah in Eid if they visit their villages. When I was a child, I like to visit many new places when the Eid comes, and I like to spend my Eid with my family and my cousins. I really enjoy the Eid food, and I like to enjoy with my friends when the Eid is comes, and I like to do shopping for the Eid. That's all for today. Thank you for listening, please.